Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you the custom bracket I made for my dual GPSs that I'm going to have here. I'm going to have a 12-inch GPS on top and one on the bottom. Basically, I couldn't find a bracket that would hold both of my GPSs and right in front of me. So I made this one, which also holds my phone over here. Basically, what I did is I bought two brackets that are from a 15-inch screen, and I cut about 1.5 inches from each. Then I drilled 3 holes. I passed 3 screws with 3 nuts in the back. You could either do that or you could weld, but I think this was a lot easier. I did that. Then what I did is I put the bracket of my 7-inch screen. I made sure, first of all, you got to make sure the height that'll fit, but I did. I measured it, and I then went ahead and got my smaller bracket, put it here. What I did is I got the screws from the bottom up with the nuts on top, so I could remove them easily if I had to remove this bracket, which you won't. Then I got a bracket for the top, which is for my 12-inch monitor, and I just hooked it up here same way. 4 screws, 4 nuts, pressure locking nuts, and then I took the whole system and I bolted it down to this area of my console here, which is slanted, and that keeps the GPSs up. These brackets, you could find them used anywhere from $20 to $35. You could buy them new on Amazon or eBay or used. What I did is, if you have a local marine electronics shop nearby, I went. A lot of times, most people have these units dash mounted, so they gave me these two for $10. I had the one from the 12-inch GPS, and I had the one from the 7-inch GPS as well. When you do get them, try to get them aluminum, because these brackets, sometimes Garmin's have them in steel and they weigh a lot. So try to get them aluminum. It makes the GPS weigh themselves like 20 pounds in between them, so it makes it a lot lighter. But as you can see, it is sturdy. I mean, and you want it to be sturdy. I just then ran my lines through the back, and I have this here because I have Eva foam there, and my kitties like scratching their nails all over the place. So, but now I'm gonna go ahead and install the GPSs and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so there you see it. I have this phone bracket is really cheap. It was like $2-3. I'm not sure if I got it on Amazon or eBay, but it's really cheap. It comes with another extension. I just removed that extension and grabbed it here. I'll show the pictures of how I did it. One thing I do suggest, the screw, where the nut it goes to is brass, but the screw itself is steel, so it rusts here without being in the ocean. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna replace that screw with a stainless steel one and just put this little cap on it, and that'll work. So now we're gonna turn on our GPSs. Okay. The covers. Oh, they're on. All right, we're gonna turn this guy on. My phone, there it is. It's kind of sunny now, but you still can see it. Really, these units are really bright. You can always tilt it to whatever angle you want. Some people on these small boats have built up a compartment where you could flush mount them. I wanted something that I could just come to the marina, put them on quick, take them on off. There's nothing where dust or corrosion could hide. And basically this is it. They're right in front of me. When I sit down, I can still look through the sides and stuff. I rarely ever drive sitting down. And if everybody else is, you know, the other people that go by are not paying attention, at least you are, because you have everything right in front of you. So I agree. There we go. Have our navigation. Let's say we want to go here. Usually where I go out through is right here, the marina. I have it right in front of me. Then here's my home screen. I go there and I'm gonna have it in probably gonna have it in sonar, of course. I'm gonna have this one, and that's what I'm gonna do. This, I'm gonna drive the boat. They both are GPS sonar units, but I have my sonar connected to just this one. But it's good to have 2 GPSs. and they're both connected to different batteries. Something happens, and that way I could have my navigation where I could see it really clear, and my bottom machine there. So basically, you know, at the end of the day, if it works for you, this is going to work for me, and you're happy with the way it came out, that's really all that matters. So it's really inexpensively to do. I couldn't find one with this configuration for me, and I wanted to share with you guys. I'm going to put in some slides at the end of this video where I'll show you step by step how I cut it, how I drilled the holes to put it through, and what the brackets look like before I did it. Anyways, if you know anybody that might find the video helpful, please share it with them. Until next time, always wishing you the best, and one love.